Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your earbuds Philips. And all controls located at the right headphone. Right here we have a control hub. So, to play and pause the song, you need to press one time at the power button. You press one time and as you can see I just pause the song, press again and I play a song. To increase the volume, use volume up button would have a plus icon here, so you again just press on it and you will increase the volume. To lower the volume, use minus button, again just press on it and you will lower it. To play a next track, you need to press 2 times at the volume up button. 1, 2, and it works. To play a previous track, you need to press 2 times at the volume down button. 1, 2, and it also works. Also, you can call a voice assistant by press 2 times at the power button. 1, 2, and I just call a Siri. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!